Ang dami niyong padala. Ang dami niyong padala. Hello? 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 Hinay? Okay ka na ba? Alright. Hello mga ka-floofers! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be sharing with you a couple of products that were sent to us by different shops. So, some are bath items and some are food. So, I will be making just one video intro for the rest of the products that we will be reviewing or unboxing. Kasi iba-iba yung dating nila. Some of the items in here we've already unboxed. And yung iba may paparating pa. Oh! May paparating pa. Ang dami yung nabodor. Nabodor inday na. So if we are gonna be unboxing treats, then we will have fourfloofers try it. And let's see if they like it. So let's go ahead and start with the products that were sent to us by Pampered Pooch and Dr. Pooch. Yung Pampered Pooch, obviously these are all bath items. I already took videos of unboxing, so I will just be inserting it here. Kaya tamad na gumawa ulit. And kaya tamad na buksan kasi ni-repack ko itong mga to. I repacked these kasi I'm planning to give this away to either friends or to some of the fans ng fourfloofers sa TikTok. Ganyan. Thank you so much, Pampered Pooch and Dr. Pooch. I will be inserting kung ano yung laman ng Pampered Pooch na package. I will also share kung ano yung laman ng Dr. Pooch. So yung Dr. Pooch, the ones that we got were multivitamins and vitamin C and vitamin E. And we also got an eye doctor. I'll be inserting a couple of videos na online for you to be able to see the products. Sobrang sakto yung pagdating ng Dr. Pooch care package kasi this was during the time na may sakit si Kimmy, meron siyang sipon. So, aside from dog food and treats, they didn't really have vitamins, and I feel like this helped her, bounce back from her sniffles. So, yeah, perfect timing. Alright, so the package we will be unboxing would be from Bark and Bite. So, Oh, that's so nice. Yes. So we have one peanut butter for dogs. Paw balm para mas shiny mga kapaahan nila. All-in-one dog spray. Interesting. Ooh, nice. You have carrots. You have sweet potato. And you have pumpkin. So, let's show everyone. So, we wanna... Can you smell it? Can you smell it? I think I saw on their Instagram, you can dip one of these biscuits sa... I'm so excited. Parang ako yung gustong kumikim. You can dip any one of their biscuits dito sa peanut butter. Can't wait to try these! First treat goes to... kala mo ay chewy. Up! Kimmy! Come! Good girl. Next one is for... What? Inday! not the least, dunk. Whoop! Penny! Good girl. Ay, naku, may peanut butter sa baby. Wow! It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Approve, Inday? Yes? Huh? Approve? Approve ba? Chewy? Do you like it? Huh? Fourfloofers approved. Wait. So, everyone, obviously, kalma lang guys. Kalma lang. Okay? Ay, karambola na talaga. So, yes, Kimi? You like? You like? You like, Kimi? Huh? Yes? Huh? So, ayan na. Ayan. Ayan na. I think we can safely say we have another winner. These treats from Bark and Bite are definitely another favorite of fourfloofers, especially when you dip them in their peanut butter. So lahat ng to walang preservatives. I was advised na these should be kept refrigerated kasi nga wala siyang preservatives. Ano, isa pang plates ulit. Kimi. Oh, sige. But before we go to treat giving again, let me just do a quick review of their, well, I haven't given this a try. Their paw balm. Okay, this is one way of making sure that the paw pads of your fur babies are shiny and healthy. Singa tayo ng singa. Ano na? This is lick safe and it's all natural. Tick and flea protection na rin. Oh, they smell a little minty. So this is what they look like. Just like your regular balm. So I will try this on their paw pads soon. And we did try this as well. This is their all-in-one dog spray with virgin coconut oil. Freshens, hydrates, and soothes. So this is dog nose friendly daw. We have tried this and yes, it's pleasant amoyin. So not too strong. Okay, on to treat giving. Okay! Do you want treat? Ha? 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 Dito ba kayo lahat? Dito ba kayo lahat? Ha? Ha? Okay, pila-pila lang, pila-pila lang. So we're gonna go ahead and try carrot one more time. First treat. Yeah. I think I should have another camera for this. Wait. Wait. So, ayan na. Ayan na. Let me just show you how I usually film them when I'm giving them treats. Para talagang kitang-kita ang mga ligaya sa mukha nila. Sure ba? Okay. So, we'll open this first. Ayan. Ayan na. Okay. Ay, behave. Wait lang. Kiwi, wala pa. Kalma tayo. Kalma lang. Okay. Malabit na si Imlay. First treat goes to... Up! Gimme! Okay. Next one is for... Put! Inday! Next one is for... Put! Chewy! Last but not the least... Put! Then... Good girl. Uy! Ay, hype na hype si Kimi. Bakit? So, that's how I usually film them. Kasi naman. So we have another package, obviously. They are very excited about it. This package came from the Woof PH, and wala silang idea na hindi ito treats. This is a set of grooming items. Okay, 92. Ano kaya to? Chewy, come here. Lenny, I wonder what these are. Ano kaya? Ano to? Oh, wow. Cutie. First up, we have... Ano to, Chewy? Ha? Kala mo, ang laki ng treats. Ano yan? It's a comb. Ooh. And... Uy, ang dami. Surprise. Charot. Ang dami, wow. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Ang dami, Chewy, look! If he can only understand that these are not treats. Uy! Parang ang dami. Wowza. Oh my god. This is a lot of plastic. Chill. Chill lang tayo. OMG. Oh, wow. Oh, ang ganda ng kulay. Ang perfect. Pack. Sabi ko yun ito. Wow. So, isa-isahin natin siya. So, we have first your nail clippers. Okay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Brushes. So, you have yung medyo wide tooth comb. Ganun. Tapos, meron yung mas fine yung side ng kabila. Next one is, meron silang detangler. This one, I already have. Pero since isa lang, it's a good thing na meron isa pang, backup. And it looks really nice. Ang cute ng kulay. And another one is, ano ba ito? Parang regular brush lang siya. Then, tas ito, I have not tried this, but I am excited to try this on them during times na meron silang mga kabuhol-buholan sa buhay, ganun. So, yeah, we will be trying this.